Welcome to Friday Creek Timber. Glenn Bailey, how are you? I'm going to mill up this tallow wood log, but what I want to show you is, and why I'm making this video, is a tungsten tip bandsaw blade. I had, now what's the story? I think Woodmiser gave it to Hardwood Mills, who gave it to me, and I said that I'd review it. So I'm a bit excited because it means a smoother cut, I think, and less sharpening. Hopefully I won't break it. I'll show you the blade so you know what I'm talking about. Come and have a look. There you go. A tungsten tip blade, see? It's a blade with tungsten tips. What more is there to say? Oh, that's what there is. So your normal bimetal blade has a set to it. So the set is one tooth bends to the left, one tooth bends to the right, and the one behind that is straight, and that repeats. These teeth are all straight. They don't need that set, which is another task you don't have to do. So I'm pretty excited to see how this goes. Let's give it a whirl. So there you go, that's the tungsten tipped saw blade. It does a pretty nice job. It certainly cuts flat and doesn't seem to deviate up and down as much as the bimetal blades can. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it, and where it cuts smooth, it cuts very smooth. So I'm not sure why I'm getting bits that are a bit ripply, but they're only very small ripples. So you know, they'll sand out or thickness out pretty easy. So I think it's a good blade. That's what I think. Don't know what the price is, but if it's a good price, I'd probably buy them, I think. So you can see just how smooth you can potentially get it versus this little ripple. Yeah, I just wonder whether I was pushing too fast when that was happening, or whether it was the sawmill wobbling through just slight irregularities in the track. It's very difficult to get these tracks dead flat, and you go throwing big logs on them and knocks them out of the straight as well. So you probably got to. I probably should re-straighten and level the tracks more than I do, which is nearly never. Mainly because it doesn't seem to matter that much. Once I put it through the thicknesser, it sort of cleans up all those errors. Well, thanks to Geoff Lloyd from Hardwood Mills for letting me have a try of these. That was pretty good. I'm pleased with them. I want some more, really. Well, we'll see how long I have to go before I need to sharpen them, but they seem pretty good. Good afternoon. Welcome to Friday Creek Timber. I haven't got any shoes on. I need to put some shoes on. Hold on.